同学们，你们好！今天我们继续学习第6课。我会说汉语。我会说汉语。作业 homework 作业。So list the 5 things that you can do and 3 things that you cannot do in Chinese sentences. 石老师，石老师会说汉语。石老师会说英语。石老师不会说法语。石老师不会唱歌。石老师不会跳舞。Okay, could you please open your notebook and let me know what that you can do and the things that you cannot do, please? Okay, now let us review what we've learned last time. Last time we've learned a grammar. Subject plus 会 or 不会 plus do something. For example, 我会说英语。我妈妈不会说汉语。我爸爸会写汉字。我弟弟不会写你好。Then how to ask? Can you speak English? Yes, we put a ma at the end of the question. So it should be 你会说英语吗？ How do we ask? Can your mom speak Chinese? Yes, 你妈妈会说汉语吗？ How do we ask? Can your father write Chinese characters? Yes, 你爸爸会写汉字吗？ Could you please answer these 3 questions? 1 minute, please. 很好。Now let us review the dialogues we've learned last time. 2 persons, A and B. Now 1 minute. You ready, please? Okay, now I'm gonna be A and I'm gonna start first. You're gonna be B, okay? 你会说汉语吗？你妈妈会说汉语吗？你会写汉字吗？这个字怎么写？ Now you go first. I'm gonna be B. You're gonna be A. 开始，开始。我会说汉语。他不会说。我会写。对不起，这个字我会读，不会写。Remember, we've learned 怎么。怎么 means how. So 怎么 plus a verb. 怎么 plus do something. 怎么读 how to read. 怎么写 how to write. How 怎么说 how to say. Okay? Now we're going to continue and finish lesson 6. Now let's start with our 生词 new words. The first one, 菜，菜，很，很，好吃，好吃，做，做。One more time. 菜， 很好吃。做 Now you read it, please. 很好。So I want to explain some of these. The first one, 菜 means dish. Then how to say Chinese food? It is 中国菜。中国菜。Have you tasted Chinese food before? Have you tasted 中国菜 before? So look at these two pictures. The left picture, it is 宫保 chicken, 宫保鸡丁. The right picture is 麻婆豆腐. 麻婆豆腐. Okay, so 菜 means dish. And please be careful with another word. This is 饭 means rice or meal or food. 菜 and 饭. These two words sometimes means the same. But be careful. If you want to say rice, 米饭 or 饭, it's not a dish. So, for example, these two pictures, they are 菜, they are not 饭. 饭 is like rice, noodles, like these. Okay, so these are 中国菜. 中国菜. Okay. Now, let us continue with the next one. Is 好吃. Remember, 好吃 means what? 好, this character means good, and 吃 means eat. So 好吃 means it's good to eat, so it is delicious. 好吃 means delicious. Then how to say? Then look at these words. The second one is 好看. 好看. The third one is 好听. 好听. And the last one is 好喝. So the first one I explained already, good to eat, so it is delicious. The second one, 看 means look. So good to look. Can you guess the meaning? Yes, it means beautiful, pretty. 好看. The third one, good to listen. So it is, yes, when you want to describe some music is really good, some songs really good, it is 好听. 好听. 听 means listen. Then last one, 喝. 喝 means drink. Can you guess the meaning? Yes, it is delicious, but only for something, drinks. For example, you can say this coffee is really good, but you can only choose 好喝. This coffee is very 好喝, because 好喝 is for drinks. Okay, now please read after me. 好吃. 好看. 好听. 好喝. Okay, now continue with the next one. This is 很. 很 means very. So very plus a adjective. For example, we have learned this before. 很好 means very good. Can you tell me what this means? 很大 means very big. 很大. The third one, can you please read it? Yes, 很好吃 means very delicious. The food is very delicious. Next one, 很好看 means very beautiful. Next one, 很好听 means like some music, songs, very beautiful. 很好听. Then the last one, 很好喝 means some drink is really good. It's really delicious. For example, 咖啡, coffee. Coffee in Chinese is 咖啡. 咖啡很好喝. 石老师很喜欢喝咖啡。你呢？ How about you? 你呢？咖啡很好喝。Okay, now I give you some examples with 很 and this one. 中国菜很好吃。Do you think so? Okay, please read this sentence. 中国菜很好吃。And the last one. I'm gonna read it for you. Please guess what is really good. 可口可乐很好喝。可口可乐很好喝。So 可口可乐 is yes, Coca-Cola. Do you think so? Okay, next one. This is a very important verb. 做has different meanings, like to make, to produce, to do. We have examples with 做. So you can say 做菜 or 做饭 means cook the meal, cook a meal. Okay? But 做中国菜means cook Chinese food. Then next one, we can say, be careful with this word because they pronounce maybe the similar. 做作业is homework. Then 做作业 means do the homework. Okay? We have different examples with 做. Can you please read after me? 做菜做饭. Next one. 做中国菜. Next one. 做作业. So in your family, who is always 做饭? Okay, I think probably it's your mom, right? 很好. Now let us continue with the dialogue. 对话 is a short dialogue. So look at here. A and B, still two persons. You read it 1 minute, then I'm gonna ask you some questions. Okay, so my questions are 听 So does B think 中国菜 is really good? Okay, the first question. Second question. Does B can cook Chinese food? Okay, 好. Now read after me. 中国菜好吃吗？中国菜很好吃。你会做中国菜吗？我不会做。Okay, now I'm gonna be A. I start first. You are gonna be B. Okay, 中国菜好吃吗？你会做中国菜吗？ Now you ask me, please. 中国菜很好吃。我不会做。Okay, that's it. So what we've learned today, we have learned 3 new words. The first one is dish, 菜. The second one, 很, and then 好吃, and the last one, 做. And we've learned how to say Chinese food. It is 中国菜, right? Then we have several words with 好. So we can say 好吃 or 好看 or 好听 or 好喝, right? Then we have learned 很. We can say 很好, 很大, 很好吃, 很好看, 很好听, 很好喝. And 做, we can say 做菜, 做饭, or 做作业, do homework, right? So today's homework, remember to 做作业, okay? So answer these questions. I'm not going to read it for you. You please read it by yourself, then answer these questions in Chinese. Write them down in pinyin in your notebook. Okay? 谢谢你们。